The Reggae Boyz could have a new coach before the month ends, as the JFF is set to name a permanent coach to replace Theodore Tapper Whitmore. Reliable sources say the coach should be in Jamaica in the next 3 weeks.
If all goes well, Jamaica's new coach could be in place for the friendly international against Argentina on September 27 at the Red Bull Arena in New Jersey. No name has been disclosed as yet, but it's likely that the coach will be coming from Europe, and it's understood he has the distinction of qualifying a team to the World Cup before. The Reggae Boyz coaching position was made vacant following the dismissal of Theodore Whitmore last December. Former Reggae Boy and Whitmore's assistant Paul Hall was given the position on an interim basis, with his contract ending in June. However, upon review, the JFF has decided to move in a different direction, a decision which Hall's agent Fitzroy Simpson says he knows nothing about.
No one's informed me. It's news to me. Nobody's informed me. Nobody's informed Paul. It's the president's call. It's the JFF, and we move on. I'd like to inform me so I can inform my client.
According to Simpson, there were ongoing meetings up to this date.
I had 3 meetings through speed in England during the Commonwealth Game, and that's it. We've discussed certain things. From that, I've not heard a thing. There's no details of the contract we discussed. There was nothing, and he hadn't reached a precedent. No news to tell me. I don't know anything.
Hall, who currently holds a UEFA A coaching license, took charge of 6 matches in the World Cup qualifiers, with Jamaica losing 4, winning once and drawing the other. Under Hall's guidance, the team conceded 12 goals while scoring 6. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.